Help! Can I borrow a beach wheelchair?
Hi, how you going?
Wow, this is fantastic. It's a big transfer leap, isn't it? Oh, there's a wave coming! There's a wave! Woo!
Hello, front desk. Jamie speaking.
Hi, my name's Shane. I was hoping to use the beach wheelchair down at the beach. Is that possible?
Yes, it's ready for you.
Thank you so much. I'll see you shortly. Good news, the beach wheelchair is currently at the beach waiting for us. Let's head down to the beach and go for a swim. Just dropped it. Hi.
What is you?
Are you guys here to put in some wheelchair accessible curb cuts, are you? No?
I've seen you.
Have you?
Yeah.
You've seen my videos, have you?
I have, yes. We're doing some pressure cleaning here.
I love it. Well, keep up the great work. Have a great day.
No worries.
Bye. We are now on our way to the beach, and there's a pool at the beach that we're meeting up with a whole bunch of people from, I don't know where the fuck I'm going or what am I doing. They gave me a piece of paper. They've got a beach wheelchair waiting for me and some staff there that are hopefully going to help me into the water. So let's roll there and go for a swim. So I've just seen the nicest curb cut so far on this island. And look at this, when you can roll from the road to the footpath without touching your wheels, you know it's a good curb cut. We have arrived. This mustn't be it. No, they're meeting us by the beach. All right, I need your help finding this piece of paper.
What did it say?
It had a phone number on it.
Can I just show you something?
Yeah.
So the beach sports club will be inside and close to the beach. We're just in the pool area right now.
Oh, here it is, I found it. I'm down by the beach looking for the beach wheelchair, but I can't seem to find it.
Oh, okay, we were just told to leave it by Cockatoo, the restaurant. We can put it anywhere you like.
Well-
Where are you now?
Well, I'm at the sails by the pool.
Oh, we'll be there. Don't worry.
Amazing, thank you so much.
Okay.
Bye.
No worries. You too. Bye.
I called the number. They are on the way with a beach wheelchair. And yeah, we're about to go for a swim. Woo! Help! Can I borrow a beach wheelchair?
Hi, how you going?
Oh my God, it just arrived. Wow, this is fantastic. High five. Thank you so much.
No, all good, mate.
High five, thank you. I'm Shane, by the way. What's your name?
I'm Angie.
And Dan. Shane, good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'd love a hand if you don't mind.
No worries.
This is so exciting. Have you had many people use this chair before?
Just once.
Once?
Yeah.
How-
I've only been here 6 months.
All right. Whoa. Wow, it's a big transfer leap, isn't it?
Yeah, do you need a hand?
Nah, it should be all right. Yeah, thank you. Woo-ha! Just like that, and we're good to go. All right. Now, you don't mind giving me a little push, do you?
No, not at all.
All right, thank you. All right, let's go for a swim. Woo! It's all downhill from here.
You gonna go left here?
Yeah, let's do it. Wow, here we go. It is so beautiful, isn't it? Do I need to watch out for sharks and jellyfish?
No, you're all good. So you tell me what to do. You want to go quick?
Yeah. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Oh, let's do it! Oh, there's a wave coming. There's a wave. Woo! Whoa!
Good?
Just stop me in there. No, thank you. Whoa! This is fantastic. Oh my God. This is absolutely incredible. I made it into the water. The surf is really rough. I'm currently getting washed away. But this is a fantastic experience. I'm now going to go for a swim. fantastic. I can't believe I'm swimming in the ocean. Woo! Well, that's one way to get back to shore. Well, that is definitely a bucket list experience. Swimming in the Whitsundays. You never know what you're going to find in the water. Woo! Wow, that was really, really fantastic. So nice to be out in the water and swimming, but as soon as you enter the water, there's a lot of rocks around, and I've scraped myself quite a bit. I've even got quite a bloody finger. Look at that.
Hey again.
Hello, welcome back. That'll be good.
To your finger.
I must have cut it on a rock.
Do you want a bandage? Because you got like alcohol wipes and like iron.
Yeah, maybe actually, that's probably not a bad idea. I've definitely scraped off the skin real good. Have a look at that. And my elbow.
Well, we'll go grab some.
Oh, thank
You
you.
need to push back up.
I reckon we're gonna hang out here for a little bit. Do you get to do first aid here very often?
Yeah, people get cuts every day. You'll get a good sting with the alcohol wipe.
Oh, how good.
Yeah, you got a decent chunk, eh?
Yeah. It's what makes you remember your holiday after your holiday.
Yeah. It's battle scars.
Yeah.
It's a souvenir for free.
Thank you so much for patching me up. And thank you for pushing me into the water.
Was it? Is that how you're supposed to do it?
You did it absolutely perfectly.
Hell
Yeah. Thank you so, so much. I'm out of the water and I'm on a day bed and the sun's come out and it is just so picturesque and so relaxing just sitting here, being able to look out on the ocean and see the beautiful hills and the crystal clear water. It's just so fantastic when you can come to tourist attractions like Hamilton Island and be able to get a beach wheelchair and be able to go into the water. It's just so great when tourism operators take steps to make tourism actually inclusive for people with disabilities. The staff here truly go above and beyond to make sure that people with disabilities have a great time on the island, offering to push the beach wheelchair into the water, seeing how we're going on the beach, even offering to give us a push back up to the shore. It's just so fantastic. Swimming here in the Whitsundays as a person with a disability is without a doubt a bucket list experience.